Hey there, crypto fans, and welcome to Altcoin Radar. This is a place where beginners like you and I can do some research and learn all about the many different cryptocurrencies and altcoin projects together. So today, guys, we're going to learn all about Shift and the project behind the name from a beginner's perspective. So guys, let's dive in and let's see what Shift is all about, because I have never heard of it before I added it to my list of projects to research. So if any of you guys are new to my channel, my channel is all about, me just kind of, moseying off, and I'm just doing my thing here, and I'm a beginner, I'm a beginner to the projects. I'm not a beginner to trading. I never really cared about the projects in the past, and now I want to learn about the projects. So I'm a beginner at learning the projects. So I'm literally filming myself doing research into these projects so that I can learn, and hopefully other beginners who want to learn about the projects can, learn something from my videos as well. So that's kind of why I'm doing this. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little research on CoinMarketCap and see what CoinMarketCap has to say about the project, and then I'll head over to their official website and see if I can learn a little bit more from their website. I don't really care about price, I just want to learn about the actual project and learn about what the project is, who it's for, and whatnot. So, alright guys, so currently Shift is ranked number 3,932 on CoinMarketCap, but don't worry. I've seen this before where there's a project that's literally ranked like 1,500 on CoinMarketCap or around there, and within 30 days it's in the top 50. I mean, I've seen it happen before, and it can happen literally with any coin. You literally just never know. So, all right. So, according to CoinMarketCap, Shift is a cryptocurrency. Shift has a current supply of 0. The last known price of Shift is 1.45 cents. Okay. Apparently, guys, CoinMarketCap really doesn't have much to say about Shift. So we're gonna have to go to their website. So this is probably going to be this might be a short video here, but we'll see what happens. All right. So Shift is a decentralized cloud hosting. Shift combines the transparency, immutability, and decentralization of blockchain technology with distributed hosting. Okay, so clearly it's already, by reading that, I can already tell that it's a project that I'm going to like. For those of you who don't know me, I love projects that can be used in the real world by a real industry. Projects like that are awesome. I believe projects like that are going to pave the way for widespread adoption in the future. So let's see what else we can learn from here. Shift reinvents decentralized cloud hosting with lock and load technology. Store your files by following these simple steps. 1. Lock. Start by locking some Shift to receive storage space. Okay. And then 2. Upload. Next, select a file to upload. And 3. Now record the hash of your file permanently on the blockchain. And then 4, they got liftoff, which is open your file using our gateway. Okay, and when you're done, retrieve your tokens by reversing these steps. So reversing the steps. Okay, that makes sense. That seems pretty simple and easy enough for people. The foundation of a new token utility. Simply a better service model. Shift solves today and tomorrow's hardest blockchain-based cloud hosting problems. Usability. All right. So the problem with usability: decentralized storage marketplaces using smart contracts are complex and difficult to understand for both developers and end users. That's true. I even have a hard time. I'm a potential end user, and I have a hard time understanding that stuff too. So solution is, sorry I had to yawn, guys, my bad, I apologize. Alright, so the solution is token locking fixes this. Token locking is a simple and reversible transaction type that incorporates a fully automated pricing mechanism for storage that is efficient, fair, and verifiable. And then stability. The problem: IPFS is a groundbreaking distributed file system. However, it does not offer an easy or reliable way to allocate and replicate the pinning of data to multiple nodes across a cluster of IPFS daemons. And Phoenix fixes this. Phoenix is a simple pinning interface to bridge IPFS and the Shift blockchain. All right, and then upcoming, they don't have it yet, but it's upcoming. The problem is operability. Most decentralized cloud hosting platforms do not support the same tools and languages developers know and love. Well, the Phoenix SDK, or System Development Kit, usually what that means, fixes this. The Phoenix SDK will support Lambda functions that allow the user to effortlessly write and execute their custom code at a global scale through trusted delegation. And upcoming again is scalability. The problem is decentralized cloud hosting platforms using proof-of-work protocols are slow and unscalable. That's true. The solution, transactional lattice, DAG, and sharding fix this. Shift accounts will each have their own blockchain, which removes the need for transactions to be bundled into blocks. The lattice, therefore, allows unbounded transaction growth. All right, so next we've got traditional web development, simply better use cases. Shift enables traditional web development in a decentralized world. Static hosting. Host your website or application-specific assets in under 60 seconds at incredibly cheap rates. Test your changes for free on our testnet before pushing them live on the mainnet. Your content will be replicated across the globe for super fast and reliable access. Okay, so this is clearly this is for developers. This is for developers who, build stuff on the web, which is cool. All right, so then we got dynamic hosting. Bring your website or API to life by running custom code, Java, C, C#. I don't know what C # means. I think that's C#, but I'm not quite sure. Go, JavaScript, Scala, and Python are all supported. Test your custom code locally using the Phoenix SDK. Use Lambda for functions to render content, process requests, output results, manage data, and much more. Much more. And then they've got encrypted hosting. Choose to use strong client-side encryption for secure storage of your personal files. After encryption, your files are split into pieces before then being distributed across the global network of storage nodes. You own your private keys and you are in control of your data. Optionally, add the public key of others to safely share your files. All right, and then next, decentralized hosting. Simply a better cloud. Shift brings decentralized cloud hosting to the masses. It's peer-to-peer. Rent out the unused storage on your hard drive or lend the storage space of others. And then it's tokenized. Swap your tokens for distributed storage with a single simple transaction. Retrievable. Retrieve your tokens with a reversed swap once you no longer need your storage. And then profitable. Earn revenue as a storage node operator by providing storage to the platform. And then redundant. Pin your files to have them replicated across the network for guaranteed triple redundancy. Sovereign. Monitor for flagged content and decide as a node operator if you wish to remove it. And bridgeable. Bridge the old web to the new by making your website accessible through standard web browsers. And then private. Run a trusted delegation client to enable untrusted nodes to process your private data in a secure fashion. All right, guys, the platform overview. Software applications that communicate. The current Shift platform incorporates two software applications that communicate with each other. There is Phoenix and the Shift blockchain. Phoenix is a standalone application facilitating the allocation and conservation through replication, a lot of ins, of data across a cluster of storage nodes called the Phoenix cluster. Phoenix consists of three components: Phoenix Core, Phoenix Cluster, and customized IPFS daemon. So you got the Phoenix Core, Phoenix Cluster, and IPFS. All right, I don't want to go through and read all these. If you're a developer and that means something to you, then go ahead, but I don't want to waste time here. And then we've got the blockchain. Delegated proof of stake. The Shift blockchain facilitates a decentralized and immutable means of governance that is consulted by the Phoenix cluster. The Shift blockchain runs using a Lisk-based DPoS consensus engine where 101 delegated nodes oversee the sequential forging blocks. The selection process involves token holders selecting appropriate delegates. Each user account can vote for 101 delegates. Okay, so this is all definitely for developers. Let's see here. A new blockchain core, chain of command, block lattice. All right, guys. I think we have, well, let's check out the roadmap real quick. Shift has entered a new development phase that focuses on the storage validation protocols that form the foundation of the compensation system that will reward node operators. All right, so this is cool. I really like how they did this, like for like the upcoming months. They've got like the progress bars and stuff. So they got for March 2021, they're 80% complete with wrapped shift, W shift coded, submitted for audit complete, increased liquidity, and then now they're doing migration integration. So that's pretty cool. I like how they go through that. And they got for May, the substrate testnet launch, new features, and then parachain launch. And then in the future, they got all their other different stuff for upcoming different things upcoming. It's kind of slow, but yeah, they've got a lot going on for the rest of the year. So, and they got their team members. All right, so we've got Matt Sweezy, head of development. Rick Merrill, however you want to say it, senior architect. Michael Giles, developer. And then we've got Sarah Frankel, head of marketing, and Drew Fiore, head of community. And I can't tell if there's more or not, but it looks like it, I guess it doesn't slide. And that's pretty much it, guys. They've got, they seem like they've got something good going on here that could be something pretty decent in the future. So I'm kind of excited about it, honestly. When a company goes through and they, clearly map out exactly what their project is and who it's for like this, I really respect them for it. It's pretty great. So, all right, guys. I guess we're gonna wrap this up now. So, all right, now that we've got a pretty good idea of what Shift is all about, if you'd like, you guys, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to my channel so that you guys can join me in learning about all these different cryptocurrency projects with me in my future videos. And with that said, you guys, thanks again for watching and learning with me, and I hope to see you guys in the comment section of my future videos.